2 under the first in first out method. So this question was asked in Mumbai University March 19. So in this case we have to find out the stock, and second we have to find out the cost of goods sold. These two things we have to find out with the help of this information. So in question, date is given, transaction is given, units given, and rate is given. So first is given opening stock. After that purchase, again sales, again purchase, again sales, again purchase, again sales, again purchase and sales. So purchase sales, purchase sales, purchase sales, purchase sales is given. In this case we have given the sales rate, sales rate, sales rate, sales rate. We will not consider this rate. We will not consider this rate because we want to find out the stock of the goods, actual cost of the stock that we have to find out. Therefore, we will not consider sales rate. We will consider only purchase rate. So in our calculation, purchase rate is equal to our sales rate because we have to find out the cost of stock. Valuation of the stock we have to find out. So we do how to find out the stock. So this was asked in Mumbai University question. So MU Mumbai University question. So March 19 asks. So solution question number 2. So question number 2, this. So we will write stock. We will write the answers. Stores ledger account. Stores ledger account. Stores ledger account. Under first in, first out. First in, first out. So first is stores. First is always given date. What is given? Date. Second we write the purchase. What we write? Purchase. Third we write the sale. Third by the balance. Fourth balance. So first date, purchase, sales and balance. In this case we have to write the sub date, sub column. So we have units after rate and rupees. Units, rates and rupees. Units, rates and rupees. So this is a column we have to prepare for the calculation of the stock header. So let's we start one by one. So first Jan 21, what is given? Opening stock. How much? 14,000. What is the rate? 3.50. So first we write the first Jan 21. What is that? Dash, 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 because not purchase, not sales. So the opening stock will always write the balance. So how much balance? 14,000. What is the rate? 3.5. So 14,000 into 3.5. So 14,000 into 3.5 is equal to 49,000. How much amount will come? 49,000. So simple. 14,000 into rate 3.5 is equal to 49,000. Now first is over. Second, third Jan 21 purchase. How much purchase? 24,000. What's the rate? 3.8. 3.80 means 3.8. So we purchase. So first we will draw the line here. First transaction over. Second, we will take the third Jan. What is the third Jan 21? How much we purchase? 24,000 unit. 24,000 unit. What is the rate? 3.8. 3.8. So 24,000 into how much? 3.8. 3.8. How much coming? 91,200. 91,200. Okay, parcel dash dash and dash. Now we have to write the balance. Whenever we write the balance, first we write the last time balance. Last time कितना था? 14,000. What is the rate? 3.5. So how much amount? 49,000. So now purchase, how much purchase? 24,000. How much for 24,000? What's the rate? 3.8. And what's the amount? 91,200. So in this case, we will take total of only the unit, because unit को हम लोग को adjust करना है बाद में. So 24, how much? 38,000 unit. Okay. So if you want to take total of this, you can take 0, 0, 2, 10, carry 1, 4. So 1,40,200. 1,40,200. So second transaction completed. Purchase किया था 24,000, 3.8 rate. Now what is next is given? 7 Jan. How much sales? 26,000 sales. What is the rate? 4.2. But we will not take the sales rate. We will take the purchase rate. Purchase rate is equal to sales rate for calculation of the closing stock. So what is the date? 7/1. So 7/1/21. Okay. So purchase dash dash dash. How much we sell? 26,000. 26,000 sale हुआ अपना. This is which method? First in, first out. First in, first out method. So how much? First we purchase 14,000. So 14,000 first we write. 14,000 because we sell 26,000. This is first in, first out. So how much? First time we purchase 14,000. So that will sold first 14,000. What's the rate? 3.5. We will not consider the sales rate. Cross mark. We will consider the purchase rate is equal to sales rate, because we have to find out valuation of the closing stock, and closing stock profit never include. Therefore, we never take the sales rate. We always take the purchase rate. So 40,000. So 14,000 into 3.5. 49,000. So this 49,000. Now how much remaining? 26 minus 14, 2. Carry 1, 12,000. So this 12,000 we will take from 24,000. So 24,000 का रेट कितना है? 3.8. So 12,000 into 3.8. How much? 3.8 is equal to 45,600. 45,600. So how much? Now 24,000 minus 12,000. How much remaining? Balance is called 12,000. So this 26,000 we sold out of this first lot and second lot. So second lot में 24,000 उसमें से 12 बचा. We got out 12,000. So what is the rate? 3.8. So 12,000 into 3.8, 45,600. So balance also 45,600. So this is about the sales. This is called the first in, first out. See that once again, how much we sold? 26,000. So this is a first in, first out method. So first we purchase 14,000. So 14,000 we sell first from this 26,000. After that, we will take the slot from the second purchase, and that we sold. So 14,000 बेचा first में से. So 26,000 minus 40,000, 12,000. This 12,000 will sell from the second lot. Second lot कितना है? 24,000. So 12,000. Rate कितना है? 3.8. 45,600. Now balance कितना बचा? 24,000 minus 12,000. 12,000. So you can take 38,000 minus 26,000. 12,000. Rate is 3.8 and 45,600. And this is known as first in, first out method. So this 7 is purchased. After that, 11 Jan we purchase 30,000 units at the rate of 3.90. So 11 Jan 21. How much we purchase? 30,000 unit. How much? 30,000 unit. 30,000 unit we purchase. Okay. So what is the rate? Purchase rate is given 30,000. 3.9. 3.9. So 30,000 into 3.9 is equal to 1,17,000. 1,17,000 sales dash. So balance we write. So first last time 12,000. What's the rate? 3.80. What's the 45,600? Okay. After that We purchase how much? 30,000 unit. 30,000 unit. How much rate? 3.9. Okay. How much amount? 1,17,000. 1,17,000. So total of this will take. टोटल कितना हुआ? 42,000. यहाँ पे कितना हुआ अपने को? 1,62,600 and total we have 42,000. So in this way we purchase. In purchase it's very simple, but when sale we have to do the first in first out method and we have to do calculation. So after 11 is over. Now 15 what upon sales? कितना? 34,000. What is the rate? 4.3. But we will not consider. We will consider purchase rate. So purchase rate कितना जो भी होगा वो हम लोग लेंगे. So sales कितना है? 34,000. So 15 Jan 21. 15 Jan 21 कितना है अपने पास? 15 Jan sales कितना है? 34,000. So purchase dash. So कितना हुआ? 34,000. And this is which one? First in first out method. So first कौन सा अपना? 12,000. So we will sold 12,000. What's the rate? 3.82. What's the amount? 45,600, which we already calculated. Okay. So 34 में से 12 गया, कितना बचा? 12. 3 में से 2, 22,000. And this 22,000 we will sell from this 30,000. Second slot, because first in first out method. So 34,000, first we sell 12,000, okay, remaining 34,000 minus 12,000, 22,000, this 22,000 will sell from 30,000, okay. So what is the rate? 30,000 का 3.9. So 22,000 into 3.9, 3.9. So into 3.9. 22,000 into 3.9 is equal to 85,800. 85,800. Okay. So 30,000 में से 22,000 minus. Okay. How much remaining balance? 8,000. 8,000 का rate कितना है? 3.9. So 3.9. So again 8,000 into 3.9 is equal to 31,200. So 31,200. कितना मिला? 31,200. After selling the 34,000 as per the first in first out method. So this is over. So 8,000. After that 15. After that 19 को क्या किया? Purchase किया. So this 19 Jan 21. Purchase. How much we purchase? How many purchase? 32,000. 32,000 we purchase. So 32,000. What's the rate is given? Purchase rate. 19 का purchase rate कितना है? 4.05. So 4.05. So 32,000 into 4.05 is equal to 1,29,600. 1,29,600. Okay. Dash dash dash. Now balance. लास्ट टाइम का कितना है? 8,000. उसका रेट कितना है? 3.9. 31,200. दिस टाइम हाउ मच यू परचेज? 32,000 यू परचेज. व्हाट इज द रेट? 4.05. व्हाट इज द? 1,29,600. नाउ टोटल 40,000. टोटल यूनिट वी हैव 40,000. उसका कॉस्ट कितना है? 0.080 1,60,800. 1,60,800 total cost. So we will continue this one. The purchase 19 को purchase किया over. Now 3 are remain 23, 27 and 31st. So date column we have unit, we have rate, amount, unit, rate, amount, unit, rate and amount. Unit rate amount. So how much we have? 40,000. How much cost? So 23rd. What you have done? Sale. So 23rd Jan 21 sale. Purchase dash dash. How much we sell? 27,000. 27,000. This is which one? First in first out method. So how much first we purchase? 8,000. So पहला बेचेंगे 8,000. उनका रेट कितना होगा? 3.9. 3.9. अमाउंट कितना? 31,200. 31,200. Now out of this 32,000, first we sell 8,000. This 32,000 में से 27,000 total sales. First we sell 28. How much remaining? 28 minus 27,000 minus 8,000. So 27,000 minus 8,000 is equal to 19,000. कितना है? 19,000. So this 19,000 we sell from 32,000. So what is the rate of? 4.05. So 19,000 into 4.05 is equal to 76,000, 76,950. 76,950. So 32,000 उसमें से बेचा 19,000. So how much remaining? 32,000 minus 19,000 is equal to 13,000. How much balance remaining? 13,000. And 13 का रेट कितना है? 4.5 into 4.05 is equal to 52,650. 52,650. Okay, रेट कितना था? 4.05. So in this way we sell. How much we sell? 90,000 from second lot, 32,000. So 32,000 में से 19 गया, बचा 13,000. This is our balance. Okay, after 23. Okay, after 23 we are 27. How much purchase? Purchase 37,000. Rate कितना है? 4.10. So 27, 121. Purchase कितना है? Purchase how much? 37,000. What the rate is given? 4.10. So 37,000 into 4.10 is equal to 1,51,700. 1,51,700. So sales dash. Now balance. So first we write the last time balance. 13,000, 4.05 and 52,650. After that we have purchase. 37,000 का purchase किया था. Okay, rate कितना था? 4.10. उसका amount था 1,51,700. 700. So this again we purchase. After purchase we take total 0 and 5. 50,000 total. So 0, 5, 13, 4, 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 2. 2,04,350. But total unit how much we have? 50,000. 50,000. So last 31st January 21. So 31st January 21. What we have done? Sell. So purchase may dash. So how much we sell? 31,200. 31,200 we sell. But this is which method? First in first out method. So how much we have? First 13,000. So पहला बेचेंगे 13,000. 13,000 रेट कितना है? 4.05. रेट कितना है? 4.05. अमाउंट कितना है? 52,650. ओके, आफ्टर दैट 31,200 उसमें से फर्स्ट बेचा 13,000. सो हाउ मच रिमेनिंग? नाउ 31,200 minus 13,000 will give you 18,200. Now this 18,200 will sell from the second lot. Okay, 18,003. उसका रेट कितना है? 4.10. 4.10. So 18,200 into 4.10. So 18,000 18,200 into 4.10, 4.10 is equal to 74,620. Okay. Now 37,000 था, उसमें से बेचा 18,200. So balance कितना बचा? We have to find out. So 37,000 minus second lot में बेचा 18,200. 37,000 minus 18,200 is equal to 18800. 1800. उसका रेट कितना था? 4.10. So 4.10. So now amount. So 1 into 4.10 is equal to 77,080. And this is our closing stock. This is stock of. So this is our answer. Now what happened? You have to take total of sale unit, total of sales amount, total of sales amount, that will give the total of we will take the issue, total of sale amount will give the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold, you have to find out. Cost of goods sold, you have to find out. COGS is equal to total sales. Total sales. Total sales, you have to find out. This is homework for you. Practice this sum and all the best for your exam.